Jai Gurudev to all. Today I am going to share with you Unit 4 more on GIMP. So let's start the first question. Choose the correct option. First is adding a layer marks lets you. So answer is modify a layer without changing the original. Second is when working in GIMP your image will be divided up into, answer is layer, to make it easier to edit your image. This answer is area will allow you to change the color, delete and add effects to specific part of your image without affecting the other parts. So answer is your first layer and second is areas. Then third, if you wanted to select connected areas of a picture based on color, what tool would you use? So answer is your collect color select tool. Fourth is Varsha wants to paint the background of her poster prepared in GIMP by merging two color. Which tool can be used for that? So answer is blend tool. By using blend tool she will do that all the editing in image. Then fifth is which among the following is an open source image manipulation program? So open source image manipulation program is GIMP. The following are some tools in GIMP toolbox. Which one among this is not a transform tool? So option your first. Okay, answer is your first option. To open a file and edit in GIMP you go to. So answer is file and open, and then you can edit that all the things. Then question second B, write T for true and F for false statement. Okay, so first statement C, you can use merge visible layer option to merge layer, so it is true. Second, CTRL control plus F is used to undo a previous command, so this is also false. Then third, GIMP is an acronym of Geony Image Manipulation Platform. It is not a platform, it's a program, so this statement also false. GIMP is a cross-platform tool. So GIMP is a multi-platform tool. So answer is false. Only the pencil can be used to draw straight line. No, you by using pencil we can draw the freehand drawing also. Okay, so this statement also false. .html is the suitable extension for an image files. This is also false. The airbrush tool rarely draws the fuzzy edges. This also false, because using airbrush we can draw the smooth line. Then 8th, the link pane unlike all the other drawing tool ignores GIMP current brush. This statement also false. Press the G key to activate the eraser tool. For activating eraser tool we require E key, not a G. So this statement also false. Last statement, press M key to activate the fuzzy select tool. So this statement also false, because for activating the fuzzy select tool we require a U key, not a M key. So this statement also false. Then filling the blanks. For the first layer default name is background. Answer is background. Second, horizontal or vertical lines that you can put anywhere on the canvas to help you draw in a right place are called a canvas. Third is the gradient tool is also known as gradient fill tool. Answer is your gradient fill. Then fourth, if you reduce a line opacity, you make that line more transparent. Answer is your transparent. The shortcut key of closing a file in GIMP is CTRL plus Q, control plus Q. The airbrush tool adds, answer is your rate and pressure to the normal set of drawing option. Seventh is layer are wonderful for creating image. 8. Cropping removes rounding the selection or everything outside the selection. So answer is your surrounding the selection, and next is selection. The next is the tool places text into an image. So answer is your text. The text tool places into an image. Then last is the tool allows you to select the drawing with the free hand. So lasso, the tool which allows you to select drawing with the free hand. Then question 4th, answer the following question. Question first, what is the layer in GIMP? So answer, GIMP allows the user to construct in multiple layers. Each layer consists of 3 color channel and an alpha channel and govern transparency. Then question second, explain various layers operation in GIMP. So there are various layers in GIMP. First is renaming and duplicating layer. For renaming, you have to select the layer, right click on it, and then you select the from edit layer attribute option. Then for duplicating a layer, to duplicate layer, select the layer and right click on it. Then this option window will open, select the duplicate layer option. Then second operation, making layer visible, invisible. So to make a layer invisible, click on the I button once, and to make a visible again, click on the square button. Third is merging and deleting layers. So merge visible layer command merge the layers which are visible into a single layer. Now third question, make a list of pen tool available in GIMP. Okay, so your first is bucket fill tool. Then second is gradient fill, then eraser, clone tool, perspective clone tool, heal tool, convol tool, smudge tool, and dodge and burn tool. So these are the list of pen tool which is available in GIMP. Then last question, fourth, describe the various color tools. So here I am describing four. First is color balance, which modify the color of balance. Then hue saturation, adjust hue saturation and lightness level. Then brightness contrast, adjust brightness and contrast. And the last is level, change the intensity range in a channel. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.